What if I told you that someone sitting in a bedroom with nothing more than a laptop and internet connection could now create videos in minutes that used to take entire teams weeks to make? Because something strange is happening. The way videos are created is changing faster than most people realize. And most people are still stuck in the old system. They think making videos means expensive cameras, complicated editing software, hours of frustration, and months of learning. But what if that entire process is quietly becoming outdated? Because right now, there's an AI tool changing how videos are made. And no, this is not one of those fake tools social media keeps hyping for clicks. This is something people are actually using. Creators, businesses, faceless YouTube channels, marketing agencies, even complete beginners. And the scary part? Most people still have no idea what's coming. Because when technology removes friction, industries change fast. And content creation might be next. So in this video, we're breaking down the AI tool that can create videos in minutes, why creators are rushing to use it, and whether this changes everything for people trying to make money online. Let's begin. The problem with video creation. Before we talk about the tool itself, let's talk about the problem. Because once you understand the problem, the opportunity becomes obvious. Making videos has always been hard. Not impossible, just painfully slow. Think about everything involved. You need ideas, then scripting, then visuals, then editing, then voiceovers, then music, then timing, then subtitles, then fixing mistakes. For a 10-minute video, creators often spend 10 or 20 hours, sometimes more. And if you're running a business or content brand, speed matters. Because content is attention, and attention is money. If you stop posting, people forget you exist. That's the brutal reality of the internet. Consistency wins, but consistency becomes difficult when creating one video takes forever. And this is exactly why AI tools exploded so quickly. People weren't looking for shortcuts. They were looking for speed, a way to create more without burning out. And suddenly, AI entered the picture. The AI tool changing everything. Right now, one category of AI tools is changing the game completely. AI video generation. Tools that can take a script, prompt, or simple idea and turn it into a complete video in minutes. Think about that for a second. A process that once needed editors, designers, animators, voice artists, and researchers can now happen from a single dashboard. Type an idea, upload a script, choose a style, and within minutes, visuals begin appearing automatically. Scenes get generated, transitions happen, voiceovers can be added, animations appear. Everything starts moving faster. And for creators trying to grow online, speed matters more than perfection. Because here's the truth. The creator posting consistently usually beats the creator chasing perfection. Most people lose because they overthink. They spend weeks planning videos nobody watches. Meanwhile, someone else uploads imperfect content consistently and wins attention. That's the uncomfortable truth of modern content. Volume matters. Testing matters. Iteration matters. And AI tools make all of that easier. Why everyone is talking about it. Now, you might be wondering, if this is so powerful, why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Simple. Because the economics changed. Let's go back a few years. If you wanted cinematic videos, you needed expensive software, editors, motion designers, stock footage subscriptions, voice actors, thousands of dollars. Now, a beginner can create something impressive for a fraction of the cost. That changes everything. Businesses can create ads faster. Faceless YouTube creators can scale channels faster. Agencies can serve more clients. Small creators can compete with bigger creators. And this creates something dangerous: competition. Because when tools become easier, more people enter the market, which means average content becomes invisible. And suddenly, strategy matters more than effort. This is important Because AI is not replacing creativity. It's raising the standard. Everyone suddenly has access to speed, which means storytelling becomes even more valuable. Ideas become more valuable. Psychology becomes more valuable because tools are useless without direction. How people are making money with it, this is where things get interesting. Because people aren't just using these tools for fun. They're building businesses. Some are creating faceless YouTube channels, finance content, motivation videos, luxury documentaries, history channels, educational content. Instead of spending weeks editing, they produce videos faster and test more ideas. And when one video works, they double down. Others are starting content agencies. Businesses desperately want content right now. Restaurants, real estate agents, personal brands, coaches, startups. Everyone wants attention, but most people don't know how to create videos, and they definitely don't have time. So people who understand AI video creation suddenly become valuable. Imagine charging businesses monthly to create short videos for social media, or helping brands make marketing videos, or running faceless channels in multiple niches. The opportunity isn't just creating content. The opportunity is solving a problem, saving time, reducing cost, increasing output. Businesses pay for outcomes, not effort. That lesson alone can change how you think about money forever. The biggest mistake people make, but now we need to talk about the mistake, because this is where most people fail. They think the tool is the business. It's not. Let me explain. People discover an AI tool. They get excited. They make 2 videos. Nobody watches. Then they quit because they expected magic. But tools don't create success. Systems create success. A gym membership doesn't create muscles. A camera doesn't create great films. And an AI tool doesn't automatically create successful videos. You still need good ideas, strong hooks, retention, storytelling, emotion, psychology. People forget this, and that's exactly why some creators succeed while others disappear. The winners aren't just using tools, they're using strategy. Because attention online follows one thing: interest. If people care, they watch. If they're bored, they leave. No AI tool can fix boring content. That part still belongs to you. Is this the future of content? Honestly, probably, but maybe not in the way people think. AI won't completely replace creators. Instead, it will amplify creators. The people who understand storytelling will move faster. The people who understand psychology will create better videos. The people who understand attention will dominate platforms. And everyone else? They'll complain that AI ruined everything. But technology has always worked like this. When cars appeared, people feared horses would disappear. When the internet appeared, people feared businesses would collapse. When smartphones appeared, people feared human interaction would disappear. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about AI, money, business, and smart ways to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. And remember this: the biggest opportunities usually look unbelievable in the beginning, until they become normal.